Skywind007 fans. Today this is just going to be a very quick show and tell video of this brand new Mr. Coffee tea kettle, whistling tea kettle that I bought from Walmart. As you can probably guess, I buy a lot of things from Walmart, unlike the rest of the world that buys everything from Amazon. And this is it right here, what's in the box. You get this, but you probably don't need it. So I have read the instructions, if you can call it that, and for the most part everything is common sense. Like, don't touch it when it's hot, don't put it in a microwave, don't put gasoline in there, that kind of thing. The sort of thing that you would never really do unless you're a very irresponsible person. And you shouldn't overfill it. Don't put too much water in it. Don't fill it all the way to the top. It has to be below this. And it's just so beautiful. That's why I'm showing it to you. I think this is an unbranded. It's actually, it is Mr. Coffee brand, but they forgot to put the brand on it because there's a space there, and then there's a space over here for the brand, and same thing over here. So oh, here we go. So I take that back. It is Mr. Coffee. It's not unbranded. So it's Mr. Coffee right there, and it would have been cool if they would have put the brand name over here, or at least some sort of ornament. And when you open it up, ooh, it's kind of hard to. It takes a little bit of strength. So people with disabilities, keep your receipt. Inside you can see, well, silver. That's all you can see. So let's go to the kitchen and let's have a cup of tea. Not coffee, but tea. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. So let's time it. And let's see how this goes. So I filled it up completely. It's full of water all the way to the top, to the maximum. Let's move the handle so it doesn't get hot. And let's see. Making some noise. I don't know if you can hear that. It's weird. But anyway, time is moving on. Ooh, hot. It was supposed to be a stay cool handle, but it's definitely getting hot. Yeah, it's hot. So you're gonna have to wear gloves. Okay, here we are now. It's been almost 10 minutes. So it took 10 minutes. And it is definitely making some noise. It's like a train. Kind of like a train. Yeah. Pretty cool. I like it. I definitely like it. Uh-oh, it is hot. This does get hot, so we're gonna need something. Alright, so we're gonna have to use that. Let's see. That helps a little. And now we're gonna pour it in. But oh, I can't reach that knob. I have to set it down to be able to reach it. No big deal though. So let's pour that in. Let's try that again. Let's pour it in. There we go. Alright. Pretty cool. So this pretty cool. I can't reach that.
I have to. It's not like the old one. Here's the old one. The old one I can easily reach that knob, but on the new one, and this one I just can't reach
far
it.
away.
So that's one difference.
Okay, so we are back from the kitchen. Everything went well. As you saw, it took about 10 minutes to heat up the entire pot if you fill it up all the way. But it wasn't perfect. It's a 2.1 liter. That's the capacity, 2.3 quarts. There are a few things that I didn't like. One being this part right here. It's made of metal instead of rubber or plastic, so it kind of got a little bit hotter than I expected. Because my older one was kind of like the one in the picture. If you look at the one in the picture and the one on the box, they're actually different. But I guess that's not too important. If you look at the one in the picture, this part right here is made of plastic, so you can just bloop, open it up with your hand. But on this one, since it's made of metal, you can't use your hand. You can't use your bare hand because it'll get burned. Also, the handle is so far away from that tab that you can't actually hold it and just clip like the older one that I did. You can just hold it from the handle like that and then just go click. But this one is so far away that your finger just can't reach, so you have to separately pull it open like that. And but other than that, it's a beautiful appliance, if you can call it an appliance. It's rather a dish, I guess. I don't know. Would I recommend it? Absolutely yes, 100%. Mainly based on the capacity, 2.1 liters, and the Victorian look. It's just a beautiful look, and that's the main plus on this product. And thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.